Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a progress bar in CapCut PC. It's really simple and easy. As you can see, I have already opened the CapCut. So just simply tap on this, create a new project. Here we are in the CapCut. Now to create a progress bar, you need to follow a few simple steps. First of all, navigate to the text tab from the top left side and drag the default text bar onto the track. Now double tap on it and now you can replace the text with subtract symbols. Adjust the size by stretching from the corners in the video preview tab. Now scroll down in the text basic tab to find character space and adjust it by changing the value. I will temporarily replace the color with a placeholder and then continue scrolling down until you find stroke. Enable this feature and open the color library. Then select any color to add a stroke around the subtract symbols. You can adjust the stroke thickness by sliding the line or entering a specific value. Let me increase its size again and move on to the next step. Select the default box on the track, right click on it and click on copy from the menu and paste it onto a new track. Make sure these lines are positioned correctly on the tracks. Now select the copied text box and from the top right side in the text basic tab, scroll down and uncheck the stroke feature. Let's go back to the top and change the symbol's color from white to another. Now the progress bar is ready, but we need to animate it. From the top menu, click on the animation tab, then scroll down to find Wipe Right Animation and then simply select it. The animation is applied but for a very short duration. You can increase its duration by sliding this line to the right side and now you can observe the change. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to create a progress bar in CapCut PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.